How to disable Instagram likes. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can disable your Instagram likes. First thing you need to know is Instagram doesn't directly give you an option to disable the Instagram likes. So I'll give you some of the alternate ways that can help you. First thing, head over to your profile and tap on the three dot icon that you can find. Here, if you don't want anybody seeing the post, you can either archive the post. If you don't want anybody seeing the post, you can archive the post or you can delete the post. If you archive it, it will hide it from others. But if you delete it, it will be deleted permanently. So you can choose either one. But if you don't want to do both, the alternative way is to head back, go to your profile and head over to settings. Here you'll find the option privacy. Now you can toggle on this switch of private account and turn your account private. If you do this, others except your followers won't be able to view at your post or comment or like at them. This is the only way you can disable your Instagram likes. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.